For you, Eric, if you could weigh in on the gun issue as well, do you support Attorney General Maura Healey's use of the state's gun laws to ban copycat assault-style weapons this year? Do you think her approach was justified, and was it supported by the law?
So I do think that the ultimate decision that she made was legal, but I disagree with the process, and I've spoken to her directly about this. You know, we have an obligation in the public sphere to operate in a collaborative way, to operate in a democratic way, and I believe that this was something that should have come through the legislature. It should have been vetted, it should have been discussed, and I've had very upfront and very frank and very good discussions and constructive discussions with constituents on all sides of this issue and on all sides of every issue. And the way we make decisions in a democracy is by taking in those decisions and by making determinations based on what we think is the best decision for the most number of people. So I disagreed with the process. I think making kind of sweeping changes like that by fiat or by executive order is often the wrong approach and can kind of break down trust. But I do think, you know, we have a serious problem and a serious plague in our country right now around assault weapons. The AR-15, which is the gun that was under discussion, that's the same weapon that was used in Newtown. It's the same weapon that was used in Orlando. It's the same weapon that was used in Aurora. And to minimize that, and it's also a weapon that, by the way, the Massachusetts Chiefs of Police Association has said is highly dangerous for law enforcement and in many cases is used as a way to outgun the police. So we have to take those kinds of concerns very seriously, and we have to make sure to, of course, protect the rights of gun owners. We have a proud legal gun-owning tradition here in Western Massachusetts. We're only a mile or two from the Smith & Wesson headquarters, and we're only about a mile from the Springfield Armory. There's a long line and a long history, generations of people in our area here in Western Mass who have legally and safely and proudly owned firearms for protection, for hunting. That's not, I think, what the focus should be on. The focus should be on how we crack down on and how we prevent the trade and the sale of illegal guns and on dangerous illegal assault weapons that are threatening our police and threatening the safety of our communities.